String beans, great vegetable, readily available. I mean, it's best when it's in season. Make sure that you kind of test it if it has any strings and you pull off the strings. The tip, sometimes you can leave them, kind of looks nice. Okay, so you see here, this one has, you want to get that string out because the string is what kind of, it's very, when you get the string of a string bean, that's why it's called a string bean, it's very annoying in the mouth. So you want to make sure you get that out. Like that. Pot of boiling water. We'll throw it right in there. Okay. So string beans, very simple, oil and vinegar or butter, but this is just a little bit different. I'll make the dressing of oil and vinegar, and we'll put capers and a little bit of basil, tossing it with it, and it's really good. A little pepperoncino, and just let's prepare it for when they get ready. Just whisk it. You know, vegetables. I love cooking with vegetables, and vegetables are such a big part of the Italian cuisine. I mean, I love making main courses out of vegetables, and they have that much substance. I love also the gardens and growing and seeing the vegetable. If you have a yard by a yard piece of land, you can grow. You'll be surprised how much you can grow. I mean, you know, Grandma Mima, you know her, 93, she made a whole list this winter of the seeds she wanted, what she wanted to plant in our little garden for spring. And it's so exciting to see and to be able to go to your garden and really harvest and use that from the vine, from the earth, right into the pot. There is a difference in flavor. There is a difference in nutritional value and all of that. But if you don't have that land, you know, going to your local markets is so beautiful. You just kind of take it all in, the aromas, and buy those vegetables because they're at their best when they're in season and when they're local. Okay, so the string beans are done. Do you like them a little al dente? You can leave them a little dente or cook them as soft as you like. Give them just a rinsing, a little rinsing. So they've cooled off. Just since we're doing a salad, I'm gonna just dry them off because I want the dressing to stick to the string beans. Let's throw them right in here in the dressing. Okay. Capers, I think that's enough. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepperoncino, and some basil. We just chop up some. Okay. So I'm looking, the dressing, maybe just a little bit of it. That's ready to go.